like stuff that gets built up on the window from the outside.
Oh,
and
yeah,
just
the
from
grime.
the weather. It's like, you know, there's dirt in the air and it kind of glues itself onto the window. That's one of the ways I can tell the orientation of the piece, because there's always more of that dirt stuck at the very bottom. Under the light I can see exactly what side has the dirt on it. I never get any good shots of myself working because I'm the one working. Oh, here's a little piece I missed. There we go. See the bottom part of this. There's a little line.
Oh, I
of
see it
dirt
perfectly.
right there, and that's the bottom because the rain comes down and settles there, and so more dirt can get glued to the glass. The only way you can get it off really is with acid. But it's transparent when you put it up in the
Yeah.
daylight, so. Plus the lead covers most of it.